So we made about $1,000 in a day. Can't make this crap up. YouTube, so we just had a banger trade right now. And basically, kind of my typical entry. This is the craziest thing though. So we were chopping like crazy. I moved my stop to this white line. We were one tick away. And it shot all the way up to take profit 2 within 2 candles. Trump must have tweeted or something. Like, I can't make this crap up. It literally came one tick away. And then instantly, like, bro, that was the craziest thing to watch. I'm not even gonna lie. There must have been war news or something. Because as you can see, we're all this chop for like freaking half hour maybe. And then out of nowhere, just like, holy crap. So we made about $1,000 on the day. I'm gonna go back to bed because it's around 10 a.m. and I only got like 3 hours of sleep. I was working on AI last night for a couple hours. So gonna go back to bed. We're gonna get back up at like 2 o'clock. We're gonna go to the gym with the boys again and we'll take it from there. All right, so we got the video uploading for you guys. Currently the recap of making 1,000 today. So that'll get uploaded. We'll record some more content today and then get another vlog out for you guys. Ready for the gym now. Got some good cologne. Got some Calvin Klein Eternity. Nothing crazy. Nathan got way crazier, but he left it all home, so I guess I'll have to carry it today. Alright, so we're at the gym now. I'm gonna hit a good push day, some bench. Probably hit some bench, some incline, dumbbells, some shoulder press, some shoulder flies. Probably hit this.
Alright, go.
Can't stop it. Oh man, 2 reps. All right, so for 255 for 3, should be doing 265, but we're a little tired today, so we're gonna lower it. Hopefully that works. All right, so 255. Lift off.
Missing? Come on, missing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're going up slowly and then it just stops.
185.
For rest? Or your max?
For max.
Oh, really?
All right, so banked. As you can see from earlier, we banked solid 1,000 on the day. So basically, after those 15 minutes of work, now we're at the gym all day and I'll get food and do whatever. That's why 9 to 5 suck. We're on incline bench. We're gonna go for the hundreds for like 5 or 6, I think. But my bench was down because of low sleep, so we'll see how that goes.
I can record, but it just has to be Mason. Like I can't like be walking around and recording. Yeah. You ain't. I used to be. You ain't flying though. What's the best push day exercise in your professional opinion?
Push-ups?
Push-ups the best push day exercise?
Probably.
Best for chest? I respect that. What's the best push day exercise?
I don't do it.
You don't do push?
No.
Body's a minor. Pretty low on energy. Got like 4.5 hours of sleep or something last night, so we got a protein cookie. $3 cookie. Let's see if this thing's fire.
You seen what we were doing last night. There's a reason why he has no energy.
What do you think of the taste?
Pretty dry.
Pretty dry?
But
Would you recommend for what's in it?
I mean, $3 ain't bad for like 500 calories.
The way you ate that was so sexy.
So hopefully we don't pass out. Otherwise, that's even more. gym content. POV going to the ambulance.
Keep this in AI.
I'm a minor and I'm hanging out with an adult.
Keep that in.
So a little update, not feeling very well. I think I'm coming down with a cold or something, maybe a flu. Like super cold right now, and then they're super weak. I had that cookie, and I'm just like on the verge of passing out, mostly because of low sleep. And then before the gym, I only had a protein shake, and I freaking tip like 400 milligrams of caffeine. So not the best combo, I would say. But we're still gonna get this workout done. I'm gonna keep recording for this video, even though I don't feel good. I gotta push through. I want it more than others, so that's why even on slow sleep, I'm gonna get it done. Outwork everybody. So we're doing the work that everyone else is doing times 5, just to make sure that I stay ahead. So we'll be at the gym now for another, I think roughly half hour, and then get something to eat.
Do it, Brandon.
Can everybody? Your chest is so big. We're not used to seeing that big of a chest up close.
Those are perfect.
It's like, well, it's like 540 already. 630. This is a way smaller straight.
Yeah, definitely. So
730.
All right, we just hit up the sauna for like half hour. I'm not feeling very good. I'm super lightheaded. I look rough too. But we're just gonna head out of here now, getting the boys together, and we're gonna hit up some Chick-fil-A. Hopefully get a salad or something to replenish me because I'm not feeling great. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully get feeling a little bit better.
I've gained like almost 20 pounds.
Dude, that's awesome.
Bro is vlogging for the vlog. Touch that right there.
Now that I can actually do myself, it's a lot easier.
Okay.
But within a few days, like, I got
In
out
base.
from the overtime. I just
Use them as
missed it.
blankets. Alright, so it's actually 2 days later now. After Chick-fil-A, I got home and I got really sick. So I really got home, went on the couch, and stayed there for almost 24 hours after that point. Barely made it through work yesterday. I'm actually skipping work today just because I'm not going to be able to make it. It got even worse today. Currently at pre-market right now on Thursday. So we're about to trade that. I'm gonna just skip the video for yesterday. Didn't take a trade. Basically, price action was not the best for me to find a good setup, so I didn't end up taking a trade. But yeah, I basically just wanted to touch up on a few last things. I did want to vlog a lot more that one day, but obviously I got pretty sick and pretty sick right now still, obviously. I did end up getting this light, so hopefully the lighting looks better in this because I got a nice little streaming light, I guess you could say. So hopefully the lighting's better from here on. One of the things I wanted to talk about is basically like hard work. People need to be putting in more work. People can put in a lot more work than they think they can. Really just based off of your mental capacity to work is so much lower than your physical capacity. You could mentally think you could work for 12 hours max, but physically you could probably put in 24. That difference there in the physical to emotional or even mental state of your work ethic, there's such a big gap. And these top trading people or these top people in finance that are so farther ahead of you that have millions of dollars that you want their lifestyle, if they're already putting in more work than you, then why would you be able to put in any less? If you want to get to their position, you're gonna have to put even harder work in. Otherwise, they're just always gonna be ahead of you. Another thing is making excuses about not putting in work. What are you gonna be able to tell yourself in the future when you make this full time? If you get to that point even. Sure, in a job now you can make excuses to your boss about why you're late or why you're not working as hard. But when it's you versus you in the future, if you make it to that point with the work you're putting in now, there's not gonna be any excuses. It's you versus you. What excuses are you gonna make to yourself? Every decision that you make, even from now on in this journey to growing something self-employed or to make money on your own online, something like that, every decision you make, it's you versus you. It's not you versus your coworkers, because there is none. Maybe there's you versus some of the competition depending on your business model. But to scale in whatever you're doing, it's mostly a mental state of you versus you. You need to be putting in harder work. I talked about this before, my sleep schedule, my typical week. I'm working 13 hours a day at my current job. I get home at 4 a.m. roughly, and I don't go to sleep until 10 a.m. because I stay up to trade the markets. I end up getting about 4.5, 5 hours of sleep on the nights that I work, and basically working for maybe 18 hours per day. I'm also posting out maybe 3 to 5 videos per day. If I'm putting in all of this work, what is there to say that you can't do this as well? I'm literally just a 20-year-old guy who's trying to make it and who wants to be financially free. I'm nothing special. I'm not better than you. I don't have a different genetic that makes me work harder. It's just that I want it more than you guys. That's not to be cocky, but you can do anything that you put your mind to. And if I'm doing more, that means I want it more. I want it so bad that I can't sleep some nights because of it. I've literally had nights where I hear V12s going off in my head and I can't go to bed and I didn't sleep that whole night because of it. It might sound corny, but I literally see my future seeping in. I'm so confident that I'm gonna make it in this trading thing that I could bet my future on it. Either I make it in trading or my whole life is gonna be working a 9 to 5 and I'll be stuck financially. That's how bad I want this thing. I'm going all in. And with that being said, I think you guys can work harder too. There's nothing stopping you except for you. There's no limitations except for you. And there's no excuses besides the ones that you're lying to yourself about. Literally possible, bro. Literally a year and a half ago, I wasn't making any money. I was working a mid job and I wasn't focused about money at all, really. And now I'm at this point where I'm making over $1,000 per day sometimes, and it's insane to see. And it's literally so achievable. Anyone can do it if they have the right mindset, if they work hard enough and they want it bad enough. So that's basically it for this video. Not a whole lot. I wish I would have been able to vlog more, but I got pretty sick, unfortunately. I will be posting out some interesting content coming up here pretty soon. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Another day in my life. Catch you in the next one. Oh, I'm so tired.